Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Valentine's Day, the day to honor love and romance, is celebrated yearly on 14th of February. This year, to celebrate Valentine's Day, I will be making caramel custard, which is a pudding that is rich and creamy and is very easy to make. This custard is prepared with only 5 ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. So, to make a great tasting dessert in honor of your loved and special ones, let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 4 eggs, half liter of milk, half cup plus 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3 to 4 teaspoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Let's start by preparing the caramel sauce. Take a wide pan and add 1/4 cup of sugar and 3 to 4 teaspoons of water and cook them on medium flame. Once the sugar melts and bubbles start forming on the surface, reduce the heat to low flame and keep stirring. Now cook the sugar till it turns a dark, rich amber color, then immediately switch off the flame and pour it into the baking tin. I have used a 7-inch baking tin. Swirl the pan and let the caramel sauce coat the pan surface evenly. Refrigerate the baking tin for 30 minutes so that it sets properly. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the custard. Take a large pan and add milk and warm it, but remember not to boil them. Remove and keep aside. In a large bowl, break all the eggs, add half cup of sugar and whisk it. Next, add the vanilla essence and beat it well. Now add the milk batch by batch while you continue whisking the eggs. Then strain the custard to another bowl. Now take the baking tin and check if the caramel has set properly. If yes, then pour the mixture into the caramel-lined baking tin. If the caramel has not set, then keep it in the fridge for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then cover it with aluminium foil. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Place the baking tin on a water bath by placing the baking tin on a large tray and filling the tray with 2 inches of hot water. Place the hot water bath in the center of the oven and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an oven, then you can steam the custard for 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium flame. Remove the baking tin from the oven. To check if the custard is cooked, insert a toothpick in the center of the custard. If it comes out clean, then the custard is done. If the toothpick is coated with custard, then place it back in the oven or steam it for another 5 to 10 more minutes. Let the custard cool down and then set in fridge for 2 to 3 hours before you remove it from the baking tin. Now take a sharp knife and run along the baking tin. Take a deep plate and flip the caramel custard on it. It is okay for the caramel sauce to be runny once you flip it. Serve the caramel custard cold or at room temperature. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and support me by subscribing to my channel and sharing the video.